We can make your dream house a reality. Need help with an extension? Or maybe the challenge is an attic conversion, but you're not sure how to make the most of the limited space up there. We can also help you build your own house from the ground up. We can help you to get a clearer idea of what is possible with the land or house you own and the budget you have. We have extensive knowledge of architectural design, construction methods and building materials, not to mention a strong appreciation of ergonomics, warmth, light, and flow within a property. We see the bigger picture and will navigate all the steps from concept through to completion. With our know-how, we will also help to obtain planning permission and building regulations approval. Get a quote today.